getting tackled and losing the match. Just imagine as a captain, as a top raider coming up here. Kurnool Knights, yes, they're coming in with that big victory in the morning. Kanchala Srikanth and Raidu.
गुड इवनिंग नवीन। वजह कमांडो शुरुआती साथ कुछ इस प्रकार से सेंटर में मुकाबला, जैसा कि नवीन पहले बता चुके हैं क्यों जरूरी है उनके लिए ये मुकाबला। कुर्नूल नाइट्स ऑलरेडी एक मुकाबला जीत गई है, वाईजे कमांडोज को एक जीत चाहिए होगी। अगर 2 मुकाबले हारे तो फिर बहुत मुश्किल, तकरीबन रास्ते बंद हो जाएंगे उनके लिए सुपर 4 में वो चैंपियन का टाइटल अपने नाम करने के लिए, टेबल टॉप करने के लिए। लेकिन जरूर नोली तेजा चाहेंगे कि पहली रेड में पॉइंट आए, लेकिन ऐसा संभव नहीं है। एक बार फिर से कुर्नूल नाइट्स का डिफेंस से चढ़ के बोला है, बड़े प्लेयर का शिकार बाहर किया तेजा को। और स्वागत कमेंट्री बॉक्स में नवीन का इस टैकल पॉइंट के साथ।
Yeah, Monu, because see, Kanchala Srikanth is a very, very strong all-rounder and a captain. You cannot show the back to Kanchala Srikanth. Costliest caviar. That is like the fish seed, the fish egg given. It's not the seed at all. As Paleti Brahma, fish eggs. That's the costliest food, the caviars. And that is very, very bad to taste.
सबसे बड़ी जो मछली है ना, वो नोली तेजा ही है। जाल बिछाना चाहेगी कुर्नूल नाइट्स के, इस मछली को फंसाया है। लीजिए,
he was one kabaddi prodigy in his village that actually gave type of kabaddi or the name for kabaddi in Telugu, and now Nolli Teja cleans off and inflicts the first all out on the Kurnool Knights in the morning. Oi! Allu Arjun's fan probably does not fake claim anything. Whatever he does it is star Allu Arjun. That's what his moniker, that nickname was. And even Nolli Teja, yeah, he's a fan of Allu Arjun. And look at this, Palla Ramakrishna jumps into the bonus line.
Bonus point.
And no, oh, he's got a bonus point. He's got a bonus point. The bonus was as if he's jumping into some. Of course, he's a defender, can't do anything. Yeah, I'm jumping into the water.
बोनस निकालने का तरीका थोड़ा सा कैजुअल हो गया।
As I said, he's a child prodigy, Monu. He loves playing kabaddi right from his childhood. As he crossed the midline, it looks like he's crossed it. It's so touch and go. And Kurnool Knights have the review. It looks like it. It looks like he's got points in heaps. And probably the umpires will get to the center of the court to decide what's happening. What a Super 4 day 1 we are having here. It's a super duper raid from the local. And amazing 3-pointer raid here is the BrahMos missile here, Monu.
लाजवाब प्रदर्शन, कमाल का मूवमेंट।
Palleti Brahma ready. The BrahMos missile has come into the super tackle situation, and on that left corner, it is a raider. And Durga Prasad! Oh my God, what a double angle hold that is! It is going to be a super tackle for sure. A raider attempting it, and the BrahMos missile has been stopped by the support of Ganesh as well. Wow! Where was this in the morning, Monu? In the morning, they looked planless, clueless, colorless, all was less, and now they are playing fearless. Check that out. Double angle hold. The BrahMos missile was searching for the midline. He just went searching down the road. That's it. It's definitely your Andhra Kabaddi Championships Kamal moment.
तो ये कमबैक किया है कुर्नूल नाइट्स ने। 17 पॉइंट है उनके पास, 12 रेड पॉइंट। टैकल में 3 पॉइंट निकाले, लेकिन
He is cautious. Oh yeah, even in this raid we can see this. And see how he tries to kick, tries to escape the angle hold under the chain. Dubke, phenomenal escape this is from the iconic star fan. Wow, and I think that's his fight into that 2 points.
लगातार श्रीकांत के ऊपर पहले दबाव बनाते हैं, उनके ऊपर प्रयास करते हैं, उसके बाद दूसरे
To stay there instead of going for the tackle.
वाइस पर पूरी तरह से ब्लॉक। एक और टैकल पॉइंट, दुर्गा प्रसाद बाहर। और ये टैकल पॉइंट
That to who? Nolli Teja, the man from the right end. Oh, he is just made that became a defender's position almost. And
इस समय आपको बाहर नजर आएंगे। बाहर जाने का रास्ता कुछ इस प्रकार से दिखाया था, डुबकी लगाई, सामने से गए थे, बचा लिया था ब्लॉक।
जो 50 रेड पॉइंट्स ऑलरेडी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर चुके हैं यहाँ पर, वो रुपेश कुमार, and everything is been from the substitute. Everything 43 points as substitute. He's a super sub. He's Rupesh Kumar. Oh, he created a chain. I think he's got 1 point. Is it 2 points? 2 points.
Jersey number 2.
My God, what a gap that was being created by Durga. And Rupesh, I was trying to just talk about your numbers. Why went in for the back hold? See, the two defenders who went away did not touch him. Did not touch him at all. Because it was Rupesh's.
पर भी है वाजे कमांडोस के लिए पास मौका है, दस्तूर है। ब्रह्म रेड्डी टोटल 15 रेड कर चुके, 9 रेड पॉइंट्स। क्या सुपर टेनिस रेड में कर पाएंगे? नहीं कर पाएंगे तो फिर सुपर टैकल होगा या तो सुपर रेड।
2 points.
But Rai Narendra is a suplex. There you go. That's a suplex move in wrestling. Boom, you really happy off, and that's why I'm happy. And how much is that helping them is a big question. And he crosses the block line, makes the difference 7.
1 point.
And Vizag Commandos have won this match. And even in Pushpa, the rule, there was double taggedele, in both the hands. And he
Celebration.
gives us a double. Oh my God, that's really nice. Forget the double. I have the Srivalli song, the dance
Match over.
of the toe touch dance, what we saw. Yeah, come on. And once again.
आइए देखते हैं, मजा आएगा।
And now he says, capture me now. I will jump into the lobby. Even now he says, yes, Loliteja.
ये जले पे नमक भी था।
Now he's active.
वो समय थोड़ा तो जरूर लगा था मैच का रिजल्ट आने में, ये था वो। ठीक है चलिए आखिरी मुकाबला भी समाप्त हो गया आज के दिन का। कुरनूल नाइट्स ने इस मुकाबले को गंवाया, 33 पॉइंट निकाले।